right. Hey, piano friends. We are on page 26 and we're looking at Rockin Intervals. And this is my video where I said that I was going to record the duet part for you so that you can play Rockin Intervals while I play the duet part. So, how about I show you what the duet part is? I know it's something you can work on and maybe figure out if you want to. If not, then that's fine. You'll just continue working on your right hand and left hand as I play the duet part. Okay, so for this, at the bottom of page 26, we are doing octaves there. And we really haven't talked about how to figure out what all those really low notes are below the staff. But that's okay. The first one is a G. We're going to start with low G, which is way down there. It's actually almost out of the picture of the video here. So that's the G way down there that we're playing. And then we're just going to use our thumb. And for this, we're just going to stick with our pinky and our thumb to do the octaves. And a easy, not an easy way, but a good way to practice this is just do your two notes together like this, and then up to the B. Again, keep it slow, up to D, back down to the B, and that repeats itself. G, B, D, G. Now there's a change to C. D, up to E. We're just going up in stepwise motion here. Back down to E. My recommendation is to practice just like that. Play your octaves together. When you're comfortable with that, then take it nice and slow, and you'll start with your pinky first because your pinky's playing that low G there, right? So if we take it at this tempo, bum, 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 and back to G, D, B. Now we go to C. And that's my recommendation if you want to work on that. If not, that's fine. This is obviously a teacher part there, but if you're up for the challenge, then go ahead and you can work on that. I'm going to play it another time through, and this time I'll speed it up just a little bit. If you hit a wrong note, if you split notes, your finger comes down between two notes, you just got to keep going. That's kind of like boogie woogie feels what I am getting from this. Those things happen occasionally, right? We'll do our best not to hit a wrong note, but if it happens, it happens. So let's take it a little bit brighter. 1, 2, 3, and. Take the repeat and. Okay, so that's your accompaniment. You can actually use that to play Rockin Intervals. So how about we take it at that tempo one more time, and this time I will play Rockin Intervals. Now I'm going to have to play both right hand and left hand part with my right hand because my left hand is playing the accompaniment. All right, so wish me luck. You're going to play as written on the page, your right hand first and then your left hand. All right, okay, right hand on F, and get your left hand ready. My left hand's down here on the bass. 1, 2, 3, and. Repeat. All right, how'd you make out with that? Shall we do it one more time? All right, good. Let's do it one more time. And this time, let's brighten the tempo just a little bit more. Okay, and if you can keep up, fantastic. If it's too fast, that's fine. That's fine. Then just keep it at the slower tempo. All right, last time through, and we'll be done with this. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. Repeat. All right. Whew, that was a lot of work. Pretty good, huh? Pretty good. Okay, bravo. So practice with that. If you need to slow it down, again, go into YouTube, your settings there, and just turn it down just a little bit to a tempo that works for you. All right. Thank you for joining me. Have fun with that. That's on page 26 in the adult Alfred's All-in-One adult book. So go ahead and practice that. Have fun. And until our next lesson, our next homework check, take care.